Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple and today's recipe is gizzard sauce. I'm going to show you how I made this easy one. Make sure you watch from the start till the end and also help me to share the video. Alright, let's get started. So in my pot is my gizzard which I've thoroughly washed. This is 1 kilo of gizzard. I'm going to cook it with onions, ginger and garlic. I'm going to add curry powder, thyme, seasoning and salt as well. Yeah, and after that I'm going to stir carefully, as in turn together, and I'm not going to add water. I won't be adding any water. Yes guys, you heard me right. Because gizzard has a lot of water. Like when you're cooking it, the water comes out on its own, okay? Like it gives it that good taste, like everything will just go in, okay? So as you can see, after cooking my gizzard for some minutes, the water is out. You see, that's the water, and now the gizzard is ready. I'm going to start frying. I added pepper mix. That's my scotch bonnet pepper, onions, garlic and ginger with my red bell pepper. So now I'm going to fry. As you can see, the gizzard is frying. I'm not going to fry it that much. I'm just going to fry it a little bit so that it won't be too soft. So that's the oil that I used in frying the gizzard. I added onions, and after that I'm going to add my garlic. Garlic also, we know, is very healthy. Same with ginger. It gives it that unique taste, that awesome taste, guys. I really love it. So after that I added my pepper mix, and I'm going to add my garlic powder as well. Yes, I really love using garlic and ginger. It gives it that unique taste. So as you can see, after letting my pepper cook for 10 minutes on a low heat, that's it. I'm going to add my gizzard which I've already fried. So now I'm going to mix together, mix thoroughly and cover to cook for like 2 minutes, and that's it guys. The sauce is ready. That's how I prepared this delicious, healthy, good looking gizzard sauce you are seeing here. You can eat it with rice, fried yam, cooked yam, plantain, fried plantain, whichever thing you want to eat it with. As you can see, I ate mine with rice and also eat it like that, like without rice. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.